Good morning this Monday, the 31st of March. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street closed lower on Friday as hotter than expected personal spending inflation data and US trade policy uncertainty dampened investor sentiment. The Dow Jones fell 1.7% on Friday, the S&P 500 lost 1.97%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq ended the day down 2.7%. On Friday, US core personal consumption expenditures price index came in hotter than expected for February, with a rise of 2.8% on the year and 0.4% month on month, indicating persistent inflation across consumer spending. Over in Europe on Friday, markets in the region closed lower as global market sentiment declines on trade and tariff uncertainty. The STOXX 600 fell 0.77%, Germany's DAX and the French CAC each lost 1%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day flat. Across Asia on Friday, Trump tariff threats continue to keep investors on edge in the region, which led to a negative day across the board on Friday. Japan's Nikkei lost 1.8%, South Korea's Kospi index ended the day down 1.9%, Hong Kong's Seng fell 0.65%, and China's CSI index ended the day down 0.44%. Locally to end the week, the ASX edged 0.2% higher on Friday to end a volatile week as Trump's tariffs cloud economic outlook and global uncertainty. Despite the turbulence, the ASX 200 posted a 0.6% gain for the trading week last week as a 2.55% rally for financial stocks and a 2% gain among energy stocks offset weakness among the rate-sensitive sectors of REIT and tech stocks, which both fell over the week. Packaging company Aurora took the biggest hit on Friday with an 8% decline after French Competition Authority announced a review into the industry-wide anti-competitive practices, which includes into Saverglass, a European bottle maker that Aurora acquired in 2023. Paladin Energy fell a further 4.1% on Friday after the uranium producer retracted its 2025 production guidance due to unseasonably heavy rainfall in Namibia in recent times, which is where Paladin's Langer Heinrich mine is located. Ahead of Monday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are expecting the ASX will open the day down 1.13%, and that's tracking Wall Street's turbulence on Friday. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.8% lower at $69.36 a barrel. Gold is up 0.94% at $3,084 an ounce, so a fresh record high around this time. And iron ore is up 0.07% at $102.43 a tonne. The Australian dollar has weakened against the greenback to buy 62.8 US cents, 94.27 Japanese yen, 49.03 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has decreased the 12-month price target on Pro Medicus from $330 per share to $280 per share and maintain a buy rating on the leading medical imaging company after Bell Potter's analyst John Hester completed a review into the timing of new contract installations and their subsequent impacts on revenue over the coming years. The downgrade in the price target is due to downgrades in FY25 and FY26 expected EPS or earnings per share from the analyst following the review into the contract installation. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Telstra Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 17 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $4.23 to the range of $4.31 to $4.35, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Monday morning. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and happy investing.